Amazon Echoes are malfunctioning in a seriously creepy way, and it's freaking out the internet. Could this mean that Amazon Echoes are getting ready for an uprising? What is good? This is Inform Overload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Amazon Echoes have been invading people's homes. For those that don't know, Amazon Echoes are speakers that use artificial intelligence. The Echo is basically like a smart Bluetooth speaker. It can create a shopping list for you, among other things. But several people have reported that Amazon Echo's AI, Alexa, is spontaneously laughing with no reason or explanation. Here's a tweet from Twitter user Vedant Naik, who says that he told Alexa to shut his lights off as he was going to bed, but instead of doing so, she just laughed at him. And it's not your regular run-of-the-mill laugh we're talking about here. It's like a I'm gonna kill you kind of laugh. Another user, Gavin Hightower, said he was lying in bed about to fall asleep when his Echo Dot let out a very loud and creepy laugh. I don't know about you guys, but I'm scared. Could Alexa's laugh be an indication that AI robots might be already defying us? Is there going to be an Amazon Echo uprising in the near future? At this time, it's actually not certain exactly why Alexa is doing this, but Amazon actually acknowledged that their Echoes are malfunctioning. An Amazon spokesperson told Fortune that Alexa can sometimes accidentally hear the phrase, "Alexa, laugh," and she laughs in response. I mean, like, that doesn't really explain why some people don't say a command to Alexa and she still laughs. Not only that, but usually the blue ring on the speaker lights up when Alexa responds or hears you. But with the case of the laughter, it doesn't make the usual chime that you'll hear when Alexa acknowledges that she heard what you said. Regardless, Amazon is working to update the Echo by changing the phrase to "Alexa, can you laugh?" And her response, instead of just laughing, it will be, "Sure, I can laugh," and then she'll laugh. But this explanation from Amazon hasn't stopped people from unplugging or turning off Alexa entirely. Anyways guys, I'm a little unsettled, so I'm gonna change the subject and respond to some comments. PTM said, "That burp though." I burp a lot. Dylan, our editor, usually cuts it out. Should we leave it in more? Chloe House said, "My friend told me I wasn't a sexy potato." I wholeheartedly disagree. Teen Titans AMV said, "I love your channel." We love you too. Thank you for being a subscriber. That's all folks. If you want to go down the IO rabbit hole, there's a playlist right over here, shocking news videos. I promise you'll be shocked. And if you're not, then you're just a legend. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you can stay up to date with what's trending. Okay, I'm done. See ya.